If you wan take me shine, I go take you brush. Na so Yvonne Jegede talk. Hello my wonderful kings and queens, you welcome back again to this my channel. If today na your first time when you dey come across this my channel, my name na Lady G. If you never subscribe to this my channel and na your first time, abeg no forget to subscribe if you don watch this video finish, and no forget to hit the notification bell as well. E get one small bell when you near that place when they write subscribe. If you no click that bell, you no go fit get message anytime when I upload new video. With that one you go dey miss the latest gist. But if you just click that bell, anytime when I just put new video, you go be the first person wey go just get message for your phone say I don put new video. And I want to take this opportunity thank people when they subscribe to this my channel, when they support me. I dey see una handwork o, I dey see the way una dey support me o. God will bless una. So the tori when I carry come today, the gist when I carry come today, na about this lady, this Nollywood actress. I believe say many people go know her because e don get the time when e don reign well before. Small time come be like say dem no come dey hear of am well. Her name na Yvonne Jegede. So wetin go make una take remember this girl well in case of people when you no know this lady? She get one music when Two Face play, I think some time ago, early 2000. So she featured this lady when they call Yvonne Jegede among those three ladies when he take sing. When now remember that song when they say you are my African queen, the girl of my dream. So now know that music e reign well and e carry weight well. So many people, because of that one, they can't just know this lady when they call Yvonne Jegede, this actress. So along the line, I will not come hear of am again. So you still get another Nollywood actress when they call Buki Ajayi. She dey always dey act for Nollywood as person mama. So this woman when they call Buki Ajayi, now she don late. Many people know say she no dey again because she no dey act again. She don late. May her soul rest in peace. So this woman now when they call Buki Ajayi, get one pikin when they call Kolawale. People know her popularly as Abounce. She get the guy they play music like musician, something like that it be. But people never too just they hear of her like that because no be person when they reign well like that. So along the line this guy and this Yvonne Jegede, they can't meet, they can't like themselves, they can't date. Then later the thing it can't lead to marriage. The time when they can't get married now, their mama not come there alive again. That is this Buki Ajayi now, he not come there alive again. They can't marry. So after they don't marry finish now, it can't be like say some things can't they hard them. It can't be like say pikin can't they hard them. They don't quick see pikin. According to Yvonne Jegede, because he get the time when she make video for this her marriage crash. Say the time when this her marriage can't get killed, it can't be like say them break up. This one at the thing when it happen, she get the time when she take do the video. So she talk say pikin come like say pikin dey hard them, they come waka well, they waka, they go hospital, they even land for Dubai sef, nothing when they don't do before finally after long time pikin come enter. So when pikin come enter now, when she dey 3 months pregnant now, kasala come burst. Her husband now this Abounce, he come dey vex with her. He come tell am say that pikin when dey your belle, in dey suspect say no be him get am. Now Yvonne Jegede come say this one na pikin when be say we waka together. Now me and you na do the waka. We know how we take waka before this pikin come enter finally. Everything is obvious, everything get evidence. So why you come now say you dey suspect say no be you get this pikin? Now the husband come say he want me to do paternity test. Now Yvonne Jegede come talk say now you get this pikin because he know say na me and you na gotta look for this pikin. So from there now it can't be like say everybody won't share garri o. They not come they agree like that again for inside house. They come they live like cat and rat. According to Yvonne Jegede, he say now so they come they battle the marriage, they come they draw. So she come they think say things go better. Instead of things to they get better, things come they get worse, and they don't even feel solve the problem. And she too now come they suspect he get one of their family friend, one lady like that when they call Bimbo Akitola, one lady when first dey act Nollywood film, you know they show like that again. And now the early 90s and all those things, all these people, this lady they act with the Regina Aske and other people that time. So she come say she dey suspect say maybe her husband he dey date this guy, now he make her husband come dey do something with her like this. So as she come say she no fit bear her again the way where the marriage be, now she come pack her thing, she come comot for the house, she can't go stay on her own. During the time when she take born this pikin, do everything, he say her husband he no dey for there again, and so she take back, and so she take struggle by herself. But later now people come dey talk say the man no accept the pikin, the man say no, the pikin no be own. Later they can't solve the something somehow. According to her, I say the man accept the pikin later. So wetin come make am be like say this story e resurface again. This same Yvonne Jegede, you know say na Nollywood actress na she be now. So e get one film recently when they act when e never too take. So for this film, e get role when they say make she play with this another Nollywood actor when they call Leonard. She come play the role of a housewife to this guy. So una will see that picture when e dey for there now. This guy na come be like say and her husband come house, she come cook, he come serve the man food. As he serve the man food, he come dey pamper the man, he come dey take fan dey blow am. I see am for there now. So as he dey pamper the man, dey take fan dey blow am while the man dey eat, dey tell am sweet words. So some people come just see am. Now somebody come tweet something to her Twitter handle. That is somebody come tweet her when be Yvonne Jegede, come tell am say the way we take dey pamper this Leonard, so the way we take dey carry am like egg, so the way we take dey give am tell am sweet words, dey pamper am, give am food. So if to say you pamper your own husband when be a bounce like this, I no sure say you for dump you, your marriage for still dey intact today. Na so this person tell am for this Twitter. Then she come be like say she pick offense, or immediately she no waste time. This Yvonne Jegede, she come just send another tweet to that person, come answer and say no be the guy dump me, no be my ex-husband, no be dump me, na me wey be Yvonne Jegede na he dump am. Why? Because I don already get wetin I want for the marriage. As I don get am finish, now I dump am. So people come just carry the news, social media come dey rain say so Yvonne Jegede talk say na this one na it cause problem for you with your husband. Why you come be say now you come talk this kind thing? That means now this one when he talk so na it be the truth. Whether na true or whether na lie, we no know. Whether she mean na or whether na out of vexation you take answer that person now, we no know. But something dey when me I come dey think small. E get one thing when be say that they always dey talk when they tell me parable say wetin the heart dey think na it dey come out from mouth. Because before you talk word comot from mouth, that mean say your heart you don think am well. So up till now Yvonne never clear the air, never talk say whether he mean now, whether na lie dey talk or whether he just talk out of vexation, whether na the truth. Now she come get courage take talk finally, because now she get the opportunity to take talk the truth. We don't know. So my people, now this one be the gist when I carry call for now today. I don't know how now see the matter. I don't know what you now think for inside. If you get anything when you think, or you get anything when you want add join, and you get the way waiting you learn for inside, or you get something when you think, just leave your comment at the comment section. Everybody get entitled to their opinion. Just talk wetin you think, wetin you feel, whether you think say e mean na, or maybe just talk am, or na if you get the courage to talk the real truth come out. We don't know. So just leave your comment at the comment section. So now here I go dey roll up my video today, and I hope to come your way soonest next time. And again, I beg, don't forget, as I talk before, if you never subscribe to this my channel, I beg, don't forget to subscribe. Just give me thumb up and just hit the notification bell as well, so that anytime when I just upload new video, you just get message say I don't put video. With that one, now you will be the first person who will just get that message say I don't put new video. With that one, you don't miss any of my videos. So my people, have a blessed weekend, and I hope to come your way soon. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.